Morning. So yesterday price didn't quite push down to where we wanted, down to TP here. So I think I got out my sales about 195.50, like in between 50 and 60. 194, sorry, 50 and 60. Today we pushed down during Asian, tapped this daily zone. That was my sell target, and it's pushing up. So the daily is currently bullish. I have retail news in less than 2 minutes. We've got a reversal pattern that's formed on the 4 hour. 4 hours respect to the previous low, broken the previous high, and pushing up. So I want to see what happens when price gets to this minor resistance at 195.10. But if we break this 4 hour low, this 4 hour support, we could push back down. And then my target for the day would be 192, like 192.8 area. If price pushes up, I'm looking for it to get to this next daily zone. It'd actually be this daily resistance that I'm looking for right here. So 196.7, I'm looking for price to push up. If it breaks above, then aiming for 197.9. Yeah. Got this 1 hour resistance. If we break, could continue this push up. So news is out, it's pushing down. Tap the daily flip. What's the results for these news? Retail sales. It was expected to be minus 0.3. It's actually minus 0.7. Not good numbers. There is Flash manufacturing PMI later at 9:30. Might stay on for that. It'll be a long session. Alright, let me do some gold analysis while GJ does this thing. Not much volume in this. So gold is just pushing and pushing and pushing. I'm here for it. Let's remove all of this analysis. Daily, it's probably 4 hour zones, but start fresh. Cool. Alright, so daily opened. So aiming for 2700, that was my target. For gold, 2700s. If it breaks there, I think we're going to get more of a push up. I still think we're going to push up anyway, as long as Ukraine and Russia are escalating their war. As long as there's escalations, I think gold is going to keep pushing. On the 4 hours, we already broke yesterday's high. 4 hours structure is just bullish. We've got a next resistance at 2697. And then a daily resistance at, well, up here, this zone. There's not much. I mean, we could put a little daily support there. I'm going to leave this area because I'm targeting up here anyway, so I'm not going to put this 4-hour resistance. This 4-hour candle's tapped this zone anyway, so I'll leave that there. Hold on. It's a lower time frame, so we'll just neaten it up a bit. Support here. What we got to the left, the projection wick, which is on the 4-hour. Okay, just wait for some structure on gold. Pull back, buy up from a support. This would have been a nice buy from here. 630, push up. Got resistance here. Alright, just wait now. Okay, pound yen's dropping, not surprising. News was bad. Very bad numbers. Now, typically with news, I'd get in on the next 15-minute candle. Broken yesterday's low, which we already did, obviously earlier. We flipped bearish, driving down. 4 hours now, flip bearish. So the higher time frames are bearish. Morning, Caswell. Higher time frames are now bearish. 1 hour broke the previous 1 hour low. We have no top wick, but that's expected with news. I'm going to see how this 30-minute candle closes. We do have a nice big range. $82 pips. Not a bad range. Then we have more news at 9:30. So the PMIs, usually if it's over 50, it's good. It's good for the currency. If it's below, it's not. So what's the forecast? Forecast, manufacturing services, 50 and 51.9. So if we get good numbers, we should see a push up on pound yen. To be honest, even with this news being bearish, I'm still a bit more bullish on pound yen. And that's because we've already tapped this daily support. And every time we tap it, we push up. So we did start today pushing up. It's just this news has pushed it back down again. So I'm not looking for any trades inside this range. I'm going to wait until I get a closure above this resistance or a closure below this support. Yeah, that's going to be me. Buys above a closure. Sells below a closure. That's my range. No trades inside this range. Gold is just on its own thing. Just straight buys on gold. Look, from the beginning of this week, straight up. How big is this candle? 1,200 pips. Morning, Benny. Nothing for pound yen in this range. Seems like price is just slowing down. I do think gold is going to flip bullish and drive up. $28 pip stop loss. Yesterday, because of the music, it stopped the stream. YouTube stopped the stream. They said we're gonna pause it until the copyright content is not found anymore, basically. And I think it's because the stream was longer than usual. Normally it goes on for about less than 2 hours with the music playing anyway. Yeah, they said not today. So no more trade and dance. It was short-lived. Okay. Gold is pulling back. That's good. I want to see some structure on gold. Maybe a retest of this broken resistance. They'll come down, bounce, push back up. This is a big breakout from there to here. Massive breakout. Cleared this wick to the left. Looking at pound yen. Okay, I wonder if it's just holding this minor little support that we got here. That's on the 15 and the 30. It's been a decent drive down. 40 pips on the news is not bad. still got this uptrend structure. Hasn't broken this low or this low yet. Let's see how this new 15-minute candle opens on gold. Bitcoin's gonna hit 100K. I reckon it's gonna happen today. Honestly, it's so close. I'm gonna set an alert. I want to know when it hits. I normally look at DXY when I'm preparing gold, but they're not even really correlated at the moment. They're both going up, so I can't really use DXY and say, oh well, dollar's pushing up, so gold should be dropping, when dollar's going up and gold's going up too. Alright, new 15-minute candle. Just gonna break the previous low, continue this pullback. See what pound yen's doing. Pound yen held at this support. We have no bottom wick on this 15-minute candle. Isn't it a good look?
Very well for yourself. Let's blow it.
And how am I going to blow it?
Maybe you pass me.
What makes you think that's going to happen?
I always seem to wonder. You think I'd be something very special.
And are you?
Go on, make a bottom wick. Tap the support, at least. We do have these wicks below.
No one's ever asked for their money back.
There we go, bottom wick. Gold pushing back up. That's good. Got a support forming. Pound yen's holding. But yesterday those sells, so literally after the stream broke off, we were, where was it? Price was around, where were we? Around here. And then we just had this candle just dump. Just absolutely dump, which was amazing. But I ended up holding through all of this. And then I closed about, yeah, I closed about here. Remember when it got to these wicks and then it pushed down and started pushing back up? I closed here, yeah, when this candle closed. It just wasn't driving down. It didn't, you know, feel this wick and break. So I said, let me just close. Let me just get out of it. And if I held overnight, I would have been hit with a swap fee. Wouldn't have been crazy, but I said, yeah, let me just get out of the trades. But it did eventually come down to TP. So, you know, an extra, my TP was about here, 0.90. 67 pips. Longer. If I'd held 19 bars. So what's that? 9 hours? I wouldn't have been 9 hours, but it's too long for me to be holding. I don't really like holding overnight. But price, you know, with pound yen, it likes to come down to daily key levels. So that's what it does. But if we hold in this area, the next daily level is up here, 196.7. If we flip bullish on the daily, break its own high, we're coming back up. And more news later to help that. It's either gonna go up or down. Got 2 lots of economic data today. We should get some nice Friday volume, pound yen. It's a good push up. Still not looking for anything inside this range. Because if I want buys in here, I don't want the high time frames to be against me. Look, 4 hour is still currently bearish. Daily's bearish. And when it does flip bullish, I'm very close to this resistance. So I might as well wait for a price to close above. Might as well wait for price. But we're holding this support. This is a good look for the buyers and structure wise. Structure wise, we're going up. So I want to see a leg up like this. Won't be as clean as that, but you know what I mean. Gold ain't doing nothing just yet. Got my eye on the price though. It needs to break 193.5. If this closes like this, like weak bearish, I'm taking buys on the next candle. Continuation pattern. Yeah, definitely. 7:30 candle in 5 minutes. Yeah, these gold buys do look good. I'm here for it. Next 5 minutes. Go on pound yen. Flip bullish on the daily. And then we're going to get a top wick for this candle. Top wick and a drive. This is a nice support here. That's what the 30 minutes looking like. It's good. Also have this rejection area here as well. All these wicks. It's like a retest of this area. Most likely use this previous bottom wick as a stop loss. It's like 30 pips. So this candle closes. What's everyone thinking? GJ buys today, GJ sells, gold buys, gold sells. What's your plan for today? I know what my plan is. Caswell said GJ buys. Okay. Yeah, I prefer the buyers. Oh, might have an entry on gold soon. Yep, I like how this candle's closing. I'm gonna have a buy stop set up. I'm hovering over the button on my phone. So the buy stop's about here. I haven't pressed it yet because this candle could just flip, but it's out. 193.50. I would like a bottom wick first, but it didn't give us one yesterday. Yep, and some gold buys right now. Aiming for this daily zone, about 100 pips. Close partials, potentially here, this previous resistance. Just waiting for the closure above on pound yen still. Didn't really give us a bottom wick on gold. Oh, we do have one, very small. Very tiny bottom wick. Pound yen's doing. Pushing down. Hopefully this is just a bottom wick. Let me flip bullish again. Drive up. Closure above. Entries after 8. Well, he said GJ buys if news is positive. Okay. You mean the news that's later on today, yeah? 9:30 PMIs. What's my actual entry on gold? $93.46. far as the opening of this candle, 8 pips. If gold dropped to like 15 pips, then I'm gonna close half. So about here. I close 50%. If I get a big pullback, I'll just chop the position in half. If it decides to make a longer bottom wick, always got to consider managing risk. Nearly got to 10 pips. Alright, let's see what GJ's saying. Alright, we've got the bottom wick. Daily's now bullish again. It shows that the news wasn't very, it doesn't really have much of an impact on the overall trend, because it's pushed down and then it's pulled back up. If news was super bearish for GBP, it would continue to drop. But the fact that it's now flipped the daily bullish, come back up, yeah. Keep an eye on gold. So I've got my eye on the price here. I'm just monitoring it. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave that. Let that run. And Bitcoin's pushing up $100 at a time. I don't know if you guys follow ICT. That guy's mental. Mental. I don't know, I'm not a fan of ICT. I think it's just a bit cultish. But he said if Bitcoin hits 100k, he's deleting his whole YouTube, all his videos. That's what he said. He was like, it's not hitting 100k. Obviously he's not going to do it because he doesn't follow through on anything he says, but it's amusing. I want to see what he says once it does hit 100k. He's going to make some excuses per usual. Let me find that tweet, because that was hilarious. Let's go, Goldie, let's go. Is that 10 pips? found the tweet. He's hilarious. He just rants. He does just rant. It's nuts.
Zero.
Let's listen to this guy.
Zero. Bitcoin will absolutely be zero.
Bitcoin will be
absolutely
zero.
be zero. Zero. You will not be seeing 100,000 Bitcoin. Okay, I promise you that will not happen. I will delete my fucking YouTube channel. That's the only way it's going to be deleted. I will delete every fucking video on my YouTube channel if Bitcoin goes to 100,000. There you go. It's not happening, folks. That's not happening. Okay. Every morning when you program your subconscious mind with this automatic conditioned command.
Oh man,
Now.
this guy. He is hilarious. All right, this gold trade is pushing beautifully. Guy's a madman. Who took this gold trade with me? Who took this gold trade with me? This is a lovely start to the day. 20 pips. 20 pips to start the day. Look, 1 hour looks juicy. Let's go, Goldie. Oh, pound yen, what you doing? Come on, stay bullish. No, I really like this support formed on a 15-minute time frame. It's a nice, strong support. Now this candle just needs to flip. It's already broken a previous high. Keep pushing up. Or not. Oh, gold's pulling back. Gold, what are you doing? What's happening? Chill out. got far to go. Is that 40 pips? Pound yen is dropping too. I like how this 15 minutes closed back down, but we still got 15 minutes till this 30-minute closes. Kind of weird price action right now. Don't expect it to go straight up, but you know, we had this big push up on a 15, broke the previous high. It's just hovering around the daily flip. I was kind of anticipating this 730 candle to continue to push up, close above this resistance, you know, make a top wick for the 7 a.m. candle. Okay, gold's pushing. Gold's doing what it's supposed to do. At least one of them. Yes, gold. Let's go. 20 pips up again. Yes, go gold, go. But pound yen might not be doing anything just yet because there is news coming. It's just ranging before the next set of volume coming in. Go and push. Let's go. Clean range to the left. All right, I'm locking in some here. 40 pips. Where did it hit? 50s where I closed, hit the button. It's around here somewhere. I can't bother to make it exact, but I was around 97.50. go, let's go. I'll set 30-minute resistance here. Yep, broken. Nice trade on gold. Thank you, thank you. I'm telling you, Caswell, man, you should join us. Join us on the gold. It's quick pips. Quick pips on gold. Very quick pips. Gold is gone. It's flying. Nice gold buys. Start the day. Let's go. Man. And GJ's over here doing this. Is what it is. I'm just gonna let this run now. Oh, pound yen, what are we doing, man? Nada. But it's not looking good that it's broken its previous low on the 15. Yeah, like I said, I think pound yen is just waiting for this 9:30 news. Hopefully not. I'm gonna keep an eye on gold. I would like for it to close above this resistance. This resistance right here. And we do have these rejection wicks all up until this daily res as well. And that's on a 30 minute, so if we close below, we could just have another 30-minute top wick in here. But gold is so so bullish right now, structure wise. It's just pushing. 4 hour, broke the previous 4 hour high. Oh, yeah, okay. This 12698 is a 4 hour resistance. So yeah, price might slow down here a bit. But you know, 40 pips, not bad. Okay, GJ is still gonna close in this range. I want gold to close above 9760. And take that off now because don't need that risk management anymore down there. I've already locked in some positions. What a banger of a trade. Just easy. All right, this is good. Close bullish. Oh, gold respecting this resistance. That's why we close partials. That's why I close partials. Especially with this rejection area up here. I'm not going to draw the whole box around like I usually would, but yeah, you know what's to the left. Them rejection wicks that were looking nasty. Alright, new 30-minute candle. Goldie. If it hits break even, it hits break even. Come on, 30-minute engulf. Oh, it's listening. That's good. Keep going. Close above that resistance. Not yet, though. Need a top wick for this 7 o'clock candle. Go on. Alright, pound yen. Pound yen pushing up, gold's coming back down. Ain't that something? Ooh. This push is happening a bit too quick for me. If it breaks out of this range and just shoots up, we still have 25 minutes for this candle to close. I would love the closure above, but I want it to close above with like maybe 10 minutes. No, push above, about 10 minutes to go. And we have these rejection wicks to the left now. Let's see what gold is doing. Okay, gold's pushing back up. New 1 hour candle. Bottom wick, flip bullish. Fill this wick, keep pushing up. Did expect some resistance at this old resistance. Let's see if it actually holds. where's my break even? All the way at 93. Okay, it's not bad. 93.5. Let's keep an eye on this price. Right, we've got our top wick. See gold just spazzing out over here. Up, down, up, down. Ouch. Oh no, the music stopped. There we go. Man, gold is really playing at this resistance, isn't it? Had a nice push up. I saw that. 5-minute candle, and then just came back down. Maybe he wants to hold here. Up pound yen, what are we saying? That's good. We formed like a higher low now. We made the top wick. Go on, just push back up. We got the gold buys. We need to get Caswell some buys now. We need something for the GJ traders. This is a crazy pullback. Yeah, it's not crazy, but 16 pips. Come on, push back up. Where did you end up closing your trade yesterday, Caswell? Your the GJ Sells. That gold's pushing up. Gold understands the assignment, but damn. After the closure of the 30-minute candle for like 40 pips. Okay. Oh, that 30-minute candle that just dropped. Yeah, that was a good place because it started pulling back after that. That candle just tanked. It was like here. It was a nice drop, about 40 pips. Yeah, it was a good drop. Whoa. What was that? The hell was that, pound yen? Pound yen just started tweaking. What the hell was that? Oh, that's the Euro manufacturing. Euro PMIs just came out. I didn't think that would affect GJ. Wow. Then we got German PMIs at 8:30 as well. Wow, look at that. That was crazy. Oh wow, gold. Okay. Run me my runners. I ain't even worried about gold right now, but this right here. Alright, if that's how the Euro PMIs were, then what's this German one gonna do? That was French PMIs. That spike down was crazy. Yeah, man. I don't know what's going on with GJ. Well, that's what it is. It's when I looked at Forex Factory, it's the French PMIs. That's what spiked it down. Because they had bad numbers. Bad numbers. Then we got German PMIs next. And then we got GBP at 9:30. We're gonna stay in this range until news, man. I have a feeling. 2700. Let's go. If we got a closure above, I would have taken another entry. Honestly. Even on the 15. If the 15 closed above, I would have taken another entry. Our gold is just spazzing. Now another waiting game. It's mad how we had that spike down, but we're still being held at this support on pound yen. It's still holding 194.3. Just rounded off. So we tapped 2700 and then pulled back. Gold GJ's breaking. Nope, still holding. I want to start trailing my stop loss on pounds, on gold. Might move it. When this candle closes, I'm going to move my stop loss up. German PMIs, looks like it's going to be mixed. 1 over 50, 1 below 50, so 43.1 and 51.6. If we get good numbers, you should get a bullish GJ. Germany's Germany has more power than France. I was actually looking at the top 10 powerful countries in the world. It's like USA, I think China, Germany, then the UK. I think Japan's on there. France is there, but it's quite low. Closure above on gold. Nah, I'm gonna leave gold, not be greedy. Got this It's a long top wick as well. If it closed above, like bullish and above this previous wick, I'll be looking for buyers with a closure above, but not pulling back like this, nah. Because I want to take the break of the high, but it's kind of, oh, what's going on there? Oh, trading views doing its own thing. We're gonna come back, or no, that whole chart's gone. Okay, let's bring it back. There we go. GJ's kind of looking a bit sellish at the moment. 4 hours bearish, daily's bearish again. We're still holding this uptrend structure. Could get a bounce. And that, or probably a bit more. Yeah. Right, a minute to go. We're gonna see pound yen spaz out again. Are we ready? All right, pound yen, what we doing? Yep. German PMIs now. I didn't know all these European countries' PMIs affected pound yen. This is a first for me. But they had bad numbers too. Just like the French. So we had a little spike down. Still holding the support. Still holding the support. This is weird. Yo, me too. Me too. Me too. We still have an hour until GBP PMIs. Is there any before that? Are there? It says something at 9 o'clock. It just says euro, but it doesn't say a country behind it. Very weird.
How am I going to glue?
Making a pass at me.
What makes you think
Don't get the closure above. That's cool.
And I always seem to wonder if they think I'd be something very special.
And are you?
Finally getting that push below on GJ.
No one's ever asked for their money back.
everyone has weak PMIs. French, German. I'm going to assume that the UK will have weak PMIs as well. So you might see some sells here today. Might actually see some sells. Especially if our high time frames are bearish. And we're dropping. Might have to change our bias. In GJ sells after the break of the 30-minute wick. Okay. Like an impulse entry. Makes sense. It actually makes sense. Especially all this news that's pushing price down. Daily's bearish, 4 hours bearish. Like it's a break of structure as well. Break of the uptrend structure. Pushing below this support. Price couldn't quite push up. Yeah, it makes sense. With all these PMIs coming up bearish, driving price down, I think we'll get the same. We'll get the same for pound. Me, I'm gonna wait until I'm out of this range. Made a bottom wick for this 4 a.m. candle. We didn't have one. It's gonna be a nice push down. I'm waiting for that closure below 194. And then I'll be in some sales with you. Gold keeps tapping the 2700 area and then pulling back. Don't have to worry about gold just yet. 1 hour. Yeah, it looked like the 1 hour was just making a top wick and then driving down. Now it also looks like we're making this bottom wick. Got the closures coming soon. The 15-minute break in the low. XRP's pushing too. Yes, it is. Alright, 30 minutes to get this closure below. Even if price closes like right on this support here, I'll probably take an entry like this one. The next candle just breaks the low and pushes down. Yeah, that would most likely be my entry. Alright, GJ's tapped this support, 194. Oh, that 2700 again. But it's not trying to push through there. Look at gold. Tap 27 again, pulled back. You might get this closure below. What's your TP for this for your sales, Caswell? Are you gonna hold through news as well? I've actually moved my gold stop loss into profits. It's below this candle here. Still got some 15-minute top wicks. Well, this one here. Nine o'clock, more PMIs coming. One over 50, one under 50. Close partials, TP for the runner, 193. Okay. Yeah, back down into this area. That would have been my sell target as well. Well, TP1. And then if we push break below, then yeah, 192. Right, is this candle gonna close below? It's gonna close right there. What are we doing? Oh, we've got the closure below. Damn, they just pushed right down. Oh, man. GJ done it again. Flipping hell. No chance. No chance to even. Oh, EUR PMIs were bad numbers. Yep. Just waiting for GJ for pounds bad numbers too. It's like European economy is just garbage right now. Even Bitcoin's dropping below 99. Look at this. TP hit for Caswell. W trade. I'm about to get hit out of my gold runners. GJ, man, it just pushed down, just barely a top wick, just opened and dropped. But I would have loved to get a top wick, maybe a retest of 194 and then enter at the break of this low. I'd have been in, sales coming down, fill this wick. Well, you had to be quick on the trigger for that. It wasn't quick enough. Still want to see what happens with the news at 9:30. He was also looking for a top wick re-entry. I know, right? Did not give us one at all. Let's refresh that. Back into this daily zone. We're either going to reject it or blast right through. Either reject or blast through. 4-hour continuation pattern. Had the closure below. I think we know which one it's going to be. Out on my gold trade. It's a banging trade though. Suspecting this rejection area. Not surprised. Pound yen. We've got these rejection wicks to the left. Do you know what? I'm not even going to mark it because it's so long. Got a long way to go. If we didn't have news that was potentially going to be bearish, I'll be looking for a push up from here. Wow, gold tapped me up and then pull back up. Nice. So now I need a closure below this support for some more sells. and pound yen. 193.71. Then I'm selling. We're going to try in this rejection area again, gold. Damn, we're getting that closure early. Yeah, GJ's going down, man. Gotta be able to flip that bias. There's too much resistance, too much support to the left. I think this news is just gonna tank it. Oh, GJ. GJ just left us 40 pips. Man. Just left us. Should have left that runner. Yeah. Yeah, I wouldn't even have had a TP for that runner, you know. I would have left it for real. And just trail the stop loss. So once it got below there, that was it. It was just add more positions on. That's what I would have done. Especially all these PMI news coming up bearish, and then it just selling GJ. Can't imagine pound yen is going to be any different. See what Bloomberg's saying. Look at him. We're gonna get another closure below anyway. Next 15 minutes. Just wanted to wait for a bit. Let us jump in. Man. Taking no prisoners. Oh, GJ's bugging, man. On 50-minute top whip. This resistance is really holding for gold. Wow. Should have closed my run at 2700 when I saw it weren't breaking, because it was not trying to push past. Bitcoin got so close. 99.5. This is a bit of a crazy pullback for GJ. Break and retest. $40 pullback. Could it just be that pushing up to get a better sell price? A lot of things to consider here. So this is quite a pullback. My broker don't have a top wick on this 30-minute candle. Let's see. See it? Nothing on IC. We got this big rejection wick. So top wick would be at 95.8. And these could just fill this wick right back up, or it could be rejecting this daily zone. We're gonna leave GJ until NY. Yeah, it might be a smart move. It might be a smart move. I don't know, we've still got 10 minutes till this candle closes. Even though it's kind of pushed up, it could still come back down and refill this wick. The distance from my TP now, those 60 pips, and we've got this massive candle here, so I'll need a top wick first, at least before it drives down, but the push down might be quite quick because it's a news, so I might not even get an entry here myself. I did want a closure below 70, but and there's still 9 minutes left, so it could still happen. It's just this area that we're at, that's what's giving me a bit of doubt. Like if the news pushed down, if we were right before news here at this support, then I wouldn't even be concerned with this daily zone. I'll take the sells through it anyway. Yeah, GJ is a bit tricky now for trades. Until I see how this candle closes. Could just be making a top wick for this candle before it drives back down. Could be pulling up to get a better sell price. Or it could just be rejecting this daily area. Now it's just a waiting game. Another waiting game, as per usual. Just waiting for these 30-minute candles. Pushing back down. We know a lot can happen in the last 10 minutes of the candle. And we're dropping. Coming back down. So much for getting a bit of press. Do you trade in December? If so, till when? I trade like as long as there's volume in the markets. I'm trading. I only don't trade on the days the market's not open. I know people say, oh, there's low volume, but I remember through COVID and through all that market stuff, I was still catching trades. Like literally every day, so I don't really stop. If the market's open, I'm looking for opportunities. So every day. Okay, GJ's coming back down. I want sales at the break of this low. If we stay below 193.70. Alright, getting ready. Might have to be a manual entry. Ooh, look at them cells. Couldn't even catch it. It dropped so quick. Couldn't even catch it. Even if I had a what do you call it? A sell stop, that would have got smacked. That's why I didn't put one. Sales were expected though, right? Crazy. Well, not really. Nice little drop. Oh, couldn't catch that entry. I want to see what happens when price gets down to, if price comes down here. This is where I'm looking for sales back up. 192, like 0.8, 0.7. If you break there, potentially down here. Just start looking for my lower levels. Minute. 193. Let's see what happens at this psychological level. Just little levels below. got this gap to fill here. I think that was the move for pound yen. Oh, gold finally broke. New 4-hour candle, opening in 20 minutes. I want to see if this 4-hour candle closes below 19365. We have a strong 4-hour resistance there. I'm going to take this one off. And this is my area of interest right here. Right there. Forget this one because we've already closed below. Up there. See you later, gold. Right to TP. Right to TP. But excellent session. Got some nice gold buys. Caswell got the nice GJ drop. Very good impulse entry. Braver than me. But yeah, I'll be back for NY. And unfortunately there'll be no Amapiano. Otherwise the stream will get chopped. But yeah, we'll get on later. I'm thinking maybe about 12, depending on what price action's looking like. I do think we might get a bit of range in before the PMIs. Gold tends to do that before high impact news. And we kind of had that with pound yen. Bit of sideways stuff. So yeah, guys, I'll see you in NY. Peace out.